Welcome to ABB Estonia. Behind me is the Drives Reliability Center, a small but important part of our Center of Excellence for Drives. Together with Helsinki facilities, we are ensuring the highest quality and reliability demands for our products. And in this particular building, we are performing accelerated lifetime tests. And today, I'm gonna show you what's inside. Now we are in Drives Reliability Center. But what reliability is? When we talk about our products, we usually say that they are good quality. And they are. But are they reliable? So to answer that question, you need to understand the difference between quality and reliability. Quality would be a set of performance characteristics in some certain time. For example, when it leaves the factory. But reliability would be how those characteristics would change over time. So if quality is like a picture, reliability would be like a movie. And how can you find out what happens at the end of the movie if you don't have 20 years to wait? This is the lifetime of our drives. So for that, we will do accelerated lifetime tests. To understand what accelerated lifetime test is, first you need to understand why do things fail at all. We talk that the failure occurs when the stress is exceeding the internal strength. And to quantify this would be a different aspects. For example, for the temperature, it could be highest point or lowest point. And the failure phenomenon can be completely different. To understand how things wear out, we need to know physics. In this facility, we are testing only two stress factors, temperature and humidity. And we would like to age our drive. How do we age them? We increase the stress to some limit that the product is still operational, but it's on the edge. And while running on this increased stress, it will age faster. Our calculations show that under the conditions that we test, 10 years of drive lifetime can be confirmed within 4 months of testing. So knowing this, we could predict how our products would be acting in field in 10 years, only in span of 4 months. So we can ensure the highest reliability for the customers in the end. In production, every unit will be tested after the assembly line to confirm its quality properties, that it is performing according how it should. But not all of those units will end up here. Only some random samples will come to Drives Reliability Test Center. Right now I'm gonna show you one of our testers. It's called Leiden, after the city where the first capacitor was found. And in this tester, we are testing capacitors from different suppliers. ABB has a reputation of one of the most demanding customers for our suppliers. Right now I'm gonna show you another test container. It's called Bridge. This is where we are testing our product, ACS 8080. So inside this cabinet or container, we have whole area covered with heat insulation. We will be heating up this whole volume for the whole unit to 80 degrees and then cooling to 10 degrees. And the test duration would be around 1 year. During that time, there might be something working not as intended. So we will be working closely with R&D to ensure that we can fix all the problems that appear and that in the end, the customer will not see them in the field. In this particular tester, we are testing the drive insides, the PCBAs. The drive reliability would be defined by the component reliability or by the reliability of the assemblies inside. So we don't want to test only full system, we would like to also test smaller parts. And here we are testing under high temperature, 85 Celsius, and high humidity, 85% relative humidity. And the test will be going on for 1,500 hours. After the test is finished, all of the units will go to our laboratory for analysis, and they will be checked how some of the performance characteristics changed over time. This will allow us to understand better what should we change for the customer in the field, how can we optimize our service program so we don't interrupt very frequently their operations for test, but at the same time, we would ensure that the drive is having maximum uptime. Quality and reliability is at the heart of everything what we do in ABB, and you are welcome to visit the center and observe it with your own eyes. Thank you.